Hello everyone, welcome to EduTap. So we know that PFRDA grade A interviews have been concluded and a lot of students have been asking us that what could be the expected date of results. So this is something that we are going to see as a part of this video based on the past year trends. But first of all, if we talk about the current timeline, that is 2025 cycle. So basically we know that phase 2 exam was conducted on 6th of October and after that the results were announced on 13th of November. That is somewhere around 37 to 38 days, right? Then after that, basically interview started on 23rd of November, that is just after 10 days, and now they have been concluded. Now, if we talk about the past year trends regarding this, so you can see that for 2021 cycle, the interview completion date was 2nd of February, and the results were announced on 4th of February. So you can see कि यार 2 दिन में रिजल्ट आ गया था. It was very immediate, right? It was very quick. एंड इफ यू टॉक अबाउट 2022 साइकिल तो ये बिल्कुल अपोजिट है उसका. यहाँ पर रिजल्ट बहुत ज़्यादा डिले हो गया था. सो द इंटरव्यू कंप्लीटेड ऑन 14th ऑफ February, दैट इज ऑन वैलेंटाइन डे, एंड द रिजल्ट्स वर अनाउंस्ड ऑन 3rd of May, राइट? सो देयर वाज अ गैप ऑफ अराउंड 78 डेज. और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ये जो दोनों के दोनों सिनेरियोज है, सिनेरियो 1 एंड 2, बोथ ऑफ देम आर वेरी एक्सट्रीम. ठीक है, ये बहुत ही जल्दी आ गया और ये थोड़ा उम्मीद से ज़्यादा डिले हो गया. यूजुअली इतना डिले होता नहीं है unless and until there are some administrative delays. So what I think is that if we talk about the prediction regarding this paper, the final result, we should consider the parameters that the other regulatory bodies are following, right? So we should consider the standard processing time only, not too delayed or too क्विक, राइट? ऐसा होने के बहुत कम चांसेस है, राइट? जब तक कि कोई बहुत बड़ा डिले ना हो जाए, एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव डिले ना हो, तो वो अलग बात है. बट normally if we talk about when the results could be announced, I think it could be somewhere in the last week of December. That would be the right thing to say, because जो हम बाकी रेगुलेटरी बॉडीज की बात करें वो भी उतना ही अराउंड टाइम ले रही हैं. गैप इज दिस इज द गैप बिटवीन द इंटरव्यू completion date and the final result date. So based on that, basically based on that assumption, we can say that this is the time when the result could be announced, unless specific administrative delay occur, right? So that is some other thing. So that is a prediction and I hope it was helpful for you. Now let me also tell you that how EduTap can help you as a part of your preparation. So you just have to go to a website which is edutap.in, and over here you can go to a courses section, all courses, and you can see that we provide different type of courses. For example, IRDI, NABARD, IFSCA, EPFO, RBI Grade B, NABARD, right? Different sort of courses are there, and whatever suits you, you can check it out. So thank you so much and all the best for your exam.